In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Facebook Forgot Password. We'll walk through a simple way to get back into your account using the Facebook app, even if you can't remember your password. Make sure you're connected to the internet and your app is up to date for the smoothest experience. Start by opening the Facebook app. On the welcome screen, you'll see the usual login fields. Instead of trying to guess your password, look for the option that says log in to another account and tap it. If you've previously saved accounts on this device, you might see them listed here. You could tap one of those to log in, but since we're focusing on the situation where you've forgotten your password, scroll to the very bottom and select Forgotten Password. Facebook will now ask you to enter the mobile number associated with your account. Type in the phone number you use for Facebook. Double check that it's the correct number and includes the proper country code if needed. When you're ready, tap Find Account. After that, you'll see options like Continue or Try Another Way. On many devices, Facebook can recognize that another Facebook account is already logged in on this phone or tablet. In that case, it may offer to log you in automatically without you having to enter a password. If you see Continue and you're on a trusted device, go ahead and tap it to proceed with the automatic login. If you prefer not to use automatic login, tap Try Another Way. From there, you may be given the choice to enter your password if you suddenly remember it. If you do recall it, type it in and continue. If not, go back and use the automatic option when available. The key point here is that you can often access your Facebook account without typing your password, as long as there's already another Facebook account logged in on the same device and Facebook can verify it's really you. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see log into another account or forgotten password, close and reopen the app, or make sure you're on the latest version from your app store. When entering your number, use the one that's actually linked to your Facebook profile. Using a different number won't find your account. And for your security, only use automatic login on devices you trust. That's it. You've learned how to get back into Facebook when you've forgotten your password using the options built right into the app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials.